What's up, YouTube? Good afternoon to you guys. Well, there's a couple errands I need to go run right now. It is mid-afternoon on May 26, 2024. So I thought I'd go ahead and bring you guys along with me. We're on the Ice Bear Hawkeye 150cc. So these new mirrors I put on, guys, you might still see me adjusting them, but I found out what needs to be adjusted. It took me at least almost 2 weeks to find out. So I always thought it was a center bolt. I was like, man, that thing is so tight, I cannot get it any tighter than that. But it's this damn bolt I need to get, the one that rotates up and down. So basically, I got the little tool for it inside my house, and this one is doing the same. This one's a little tighter, but I got it going. I know it'd be just a little snug more. It'd be nice and tight. But I'm glad to find out what I was doing wrong. It was I was tightening the wrong bolt. Today's Saturday, so there's a lot of people out walking around. Today farmers market. Oh yeah, it is farmers market down that way. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna have to take a detour. Which way do I want to go? That way? Pedestrians always got the right of way. Alright, back on track here. Since I got a little weight right here, let's get the mirrors to where I need them. Boom. Perfect. Nice little Nissan. Electric scooter. That breeze feels so much better. One thing about riding in the spring and summer, being at a stand still, or you know, being at a stop, it's hot, man. Once you hit that throttle and you feel that breeze, much better. Solar panel roof right there. Any of you guys have solar powered roof, or whatever you call it? Have solar panels on your roof? Come on, car. Something in the road right there. Let me get over here and kick it out of the way so nobody get a flat. I had a car like that once, a 73 Impala. Mine was like an olive green, original paint job. It came from some old people. I bought it for $1,600. At that time I was working landscaping. My boss actually put up the full price, and all I did was pay $50 out of each weekly paycheck until I paid off the $1,600, so I really didn't feel it that way. I know this much, man, that original 73 Impala I did have had a powerful V8 in it, man. Heavy old car, but it took off. It had a lot of muscle. They bumping jams over there. Those two buddies on motorcycles look like they got some gold wings or something. I don't know. Not too much of I don't really know too many brands, like models of cars besides Impalas and Chevys. They're going out for a nice ride today. Probably going up to the bay or something. Should be our turn any minute here, any second. Well, not with that green light showing. That's what I normally do. I look around to see what light is green, which one's turning yellow. Sort of gives me an idea when this thing will be green for me. Alright, here we go. Another yellow light. He's gonna drive into that park right there, no doubt. I see something in the road. I hope it's not road rage, man. I hope it's just a piece of cloth or something. T-shirt. They got a lot of geese at this here park. That's where my son's coming today with my grandson. Guys, bear with me. I do got to give my grandson a little couple circles right here in the parking lot to give him a little ride. He came out with this helmet on. I couldn't resist but to tell him, get on. You having fun, son?
I'm going to his house.
Yeah?
Yeah?
You gonna go to the park today?
Yeah.
No, right. Make sure to pick some sodas up, okay? My son. That's my son, guys, for those that don't know. You like go fast? The ride on the scooter. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. All right. This is my son right here.
Hey guys.
And that there is the scooter, the famous scooter, the GY6 scooter vlog channel. One of them. We still got to bring Sally back, my 50cc. You guys gonna go to the park today then?
Yeah, we're gonna go for that energy out.
All right, I think I'm gonna get up out of here, son.
All right, I love you. Thank you again.
I'll message you when I get home. All right.
Okay, safe drive. Hey, watch out for that.
Bye, grandson. I love you. I love you, Isaiah. Say bye, YouTube. He ain't gonna do it today. All right, guys. I'm gonna get out of this heat.
All right, thank you again, man.
You guys have a good time at the park.
You too. Thank you.
Guys, back to home base. Got to see the grandson a little bit and my son. Plus situation right there. Fix my mirror real quick. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna actually tighten them up when I get back home, because I've been knowing about the little screw that needs to be tightened up, and I just not been doing it, man. Every time I come down and I think about it, the tool's up in the house. So the little tool kit that I do carry with me, I should just throw that tool in there, so next time I'll have it with me. Dodge Charger. Somebody's got a bed. Doesn't even look like it's tied down. What a trip. Anytime I see a mobility scooter like this, makes me think of my mother. Hers is still in storage where we live, just like that. May she rest in peace. Love you, Mom. I love you, brother. I love you, daughter. Nice pine trees right there. I like pine trees, man. I think that's why I like this park over here. It's real shaded by pine trees. Makes you feel like you're in the Yosemite forest, you know? Talking about Yosemite, man, that's where my son's going camping here pretty soon. I wonder how much that thing's for sale for. It's a big boy. Those are one of those touring motorcycles, go far away. Yeah, let me do a loop around here. I want to show you guys this here park with all the pine trees. I think I've been through here before in some videos. I don't think, I know I have. But for those that didn't catch it, here we go, man. This is one of my favorite parks right here. Somebody's having a birthday. Mailman taking a break, having his lunch. Not in there. Maybe out doing it. There he is. Coming out right there. This park got a tennis court with the light you could turn on at nighttime, and it's got a whole bunch of horseshoe pits. Oh, you know what? It's open. I'm gonna go straight. Thank you, buddy. Very seldom do they have this gate open. Normally on weekends and after hours. Turlock High School. They got a swimming pool somewhere right here. I think it's the end right here is your swimming pool. And basketball courts over here, baseball field, and then a football field over there. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's ride. We're getting to the end of the video. Yeah, man, I do upload on every Wednesdays, and I have a feeling I'm going to be doing more uploads than just once every Wednesday. like the side of town I live on, man. It's nice over here. Look at these crows. They're enjoying the nice shade. Alright guys, man, thank you again, man, for going along with my journey this afternoon. And if you're new to the channel, I do uploads, like I said, every Wednesday, and if not more. So hit that thumbs up, as it will help my channel get in the algorithm more better, and become a subscriber. And if you want to watch ad-free videos, become a member for $1.99 a month. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Everybody have a good day now. God bless. Peace out, man.